abasinduka mu nkomo ni kure Jackson w'emyaka 53 omutura wa mubuku omugombora ya Mariba omu district ya Kasese, Eric Chugoma w'emyaka 37 omutura wa Kyamukuba Town Council muri Bunyangabo, ko Bugabe Olive w'emyaka 30 omutura wa Ihamba Nyantungo muri Kyenjojo. Omuramuza Kiba Gloria nuwakurira okuhurira rubanjoru.
Since there is no record of their previous convictions, considering all the foregoing, the convicts are sentenced as follows. The first convict, on the first count, 3 years imprisonment. On the second count, 3 years imprisonment. And on the third count, 1 year imprisonment.
Kakuri Jowera Katukunda rukora nka senior state attorney muri Kyenjojo ashabire koti okufubira abashatu aba n'ekifubire kibashemerire okugira ngo abandi babarebereho.
It is because of such actions that these convicts deserve a deterrent sentence, so that others can be deterred from such actions.
Akuru ayongere agira ngu Gavumenti neferwe empihanya mwingi okugura emibazi konkehendero mu ngarombi.
Your Worship, such conduct should not be taken lightly, as these convicts have not only caused loss of billions of shillings to government, but government is not even aware about where they were taking these drugs.
And these sentences will run concurrently. You have the right of appeal within 14 days if they are dissatisfied with this decision. A2 is to appear in court on the 9th of January for hearing on the counts that he pleaded not guilty.
Aba bakomerwe emyaka 3 kandi Kigoma Eric nakugaruka mu koti ebiro mwenda byoko kubanze 2024 bwanyuma yo kwehakana endijo manja omumezi 3 gonka abantu 10 nibo bakwasurwe omu bikwekweto bya National Drug Authority. Gasha kwa na Good Fatuma.